Are you constantly struggling with welding U-shaped tubes in heat exchanger projects? If you work in industries like HVAC, power generation, petrochemical, pharmaceutical, or refrigeration, you know how challenging it is to achieve perfect welds in tight, hard-to-reach tube bundles. Traditional manual welding methods often result in misalignment, porosity, burn-through, and inconsistent penetration. These defects don't just compromise performance, they lead to costly rework, production delays, and even equipment failure in the field. And when your clients demand ISO, ASME, or pharmaceutical-grade standards, even the smallest welding imperfection can result in project rejection. That's exactly why TATE developed the portable U-shaped torch pipe heat exchanger orbital welding machine, a precision-engineered solution designed specifically to address the unique challenges of welding U-bend and U-shaped heat exchanger tubes. With more than 30 years of welding experience, TATE brings automation, portability, and unmatched quality control together in a single machine, giving fabricators, OEMs, dealers, and distributors the ability to deliver perfect welds every time. Unlike conventional orbital welding heads, the TATE U-shaped torch is ergonomically designed to access the tightest, most compact tube bundles without disassembling the exchanger. Its lightweight construction, weighing only a few kilograms, means operators can easily maneuver the torch between tubes, even in congested workspaces. The 360-degree orbital TIG welding capability ensures complete, uniform penetration around the entire joint, eliminating weak spots that can lead to leakage under pressure. It's built for stainless steel, titanium, copper nickel, and other corrosion-resistant alloys, giving you maximum flexibility across multiple heat exchanger designs. One of the biggest frustrations in tube-to-tube sheet welding is slow production speed caused by manual setup and operator fatigue. The TATE portable U-shaped torch orbital welding machine changes that. Its fully automated welding parameters, arc initiation, rotation speed, current control, and shielding gas flow are all pre-programmed for repeatable results. This drastically reduces operator training time and minimizes the skill gap, allowing even less experienced welders to produce results that meet the most demanding international standards. Fewer defects mean less rework, which means more units produced per day, directly lowering your per-unit labor cost and increasing profitability. In industries where heat exchangers are used, such as pharmaceuticals, food processing, and high-purity chemical applications, welding quality isn't optional.